17-year-old claims TikTok suspended her account as she criticized China. A 17-year-old girl from U.S., Feroza Aziz, accused China and lip-syncing platform TikTok of censorship by suspending and deleting her accounts after she posted videos criticizing China. Aziz, in a series of videos which start as makeup tutorial, talked about alleged Muslim detention camps in China. TikTok said action against Aziz's accounts wasn't over censorship, but unrelated terrorism references. Google warns 500 Indians of recent government-backed hacking attempts. Google's threat analysis group, TAG, revealed that about 500 Indians were among around 12,000 users warned of government-backed hacking attempts from July to September. Over 90% of these users from a total of 149 countries were targeted via credential phishing emails. Separately, WhatsApp recently revealed that at least 12 Indian journalists and activists were spied upon with spyware. Pegasus laptop in sleep mode starts fire on bed in 26-year-old's Ghaziabad flat. A 26-year-old man in Ghaziabad said his laptop started a fire after he put it on sleep mode on a bed in his flat. The man, whose wife had locked the flat from outside, woke up to a choking sensation and used the bathroom window to escape. He was rescued by the fire department from a beam near the window. TikTok apologizes for blocking 17-year-old who criticized China. Chinese startup ByteDance-owned lip-syncing video platform TikTok issued a public apology for suspending 17-year-old American girl Feroza Aziz's account, which was also reinstated. The suspension had come after Aziz posted videos on alleged Uyghur Muslim concentration camps in China, disguised as makeup tutorial. However, TikTok claimed that the ban was not related to the topic of the videos.